Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we print the all the odd numbers between 1 to 20. In this video, we will print the table of any given number. Okay, suppose if we have like just I'm writing the problem. Suppose like if we have the number 5, if we have number 5, this is just an example, okay, and if we have number 5, then we want to print the table of number. So what will be the output? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, then till 50. Okay, so like we will print till 10. Okay, so this is our problem. Okay, this is just an example of 5, but we will write a program for any number. Okay, so first of all, let's take the number from the user input, enter any number to print the table. This is how we take the integer input from the user using the int. Then we require loop, okay, because we want to print multiple times, okay, 10 times. So I in range, we can start with the 1 and we can iterate till 11, okay, because we want to print the 10, and you already know the loop will work with the difference of these two. Okay, so 11 minus 1 is 10, so it means the loop will run 10 times. When we get this, what we need to do, we need to print the number, and we can just write like that way. Okay, so what it will do, it will we know in the loop, like the value of I will increase one by one. Okay, it will start with the 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and till the 10, and we are just multiplying that value with the number. Okay, whatever we get here, we are multiplying that value with the 1, 2, 3. So let's see the output. Enter any number to print the table. So for in the first trial, let's put the 5. So what it will do, see, it is printing the table 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Okay, so it is printing the table till 50. Let's run this, and let's provide the different number. Let's put the 100. Okay, because we don't know the table of 100, right? And we want to find out by the program. This is how we can find 100. Then the table of 100 is 100, 200, 300, 400, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1000. Okay, so this is how we can find the table of any number in the Python. Okay, and it is very simple. We just need to iterate 10 times. Then for each value, we can just simply multiply that value. Okay, so it is more like a 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4, 5 into 5, then it will run 5 into 6, 7, 8, 9, then 5 into 10. When the I value will become 10, like it will print the 50, then again it will become the 11, but this time like it will not run. Okay, it will not go inside this because we this is the outside condition. Okay, so it will only work till the 10. Okay, so when the I value will become 11, it will come outside this loop. So that's all for this video. We learn how we can utilize the for loop in multiple ways to find out many things. I hope you are clear with the idea of a loop in Python. In next video, we will write one more interesting program which is very famous and commonly asked question in fresher interviews, and that is finding the factorial of a given number in a Python. If you are enjoying this Python series, and want to stay with my channel, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You will get regular videos on this channel related to Python, related to cloud technologies, and related to AI projects. If you have any doubt, you can comment on this channel or you can ping me on my Instagram. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.